Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 279. Such a good day. Kind of sad, though, that the copper golems are gone. Hope they're off on their adventure doing well. I don't know when we're going to see Captain Argula again, but hopefully we'll hear some good news from them later on. In the meantime, I want to go and let's see here. I haven't been up to the moon in a while. I want to go see if maybe Noodle is up there. But last time I saw her, she was working on a really simple redstone contraption that was taking her forever. But I don't know, Mr. Redstone's book, I don't know if that's actually helping her or not. I don't know, maybe I should get a hold of a copy and see myself. Oh, she's here. Hi, Noodle. Noodle?
I'm not sure it's supposed to go that way.
Noodle! Noodle! Hello!
Hello.
Hi! What you up to?
I'm just lighting up that lamp over there.
Okay. This is really interesting. Oh, is this another one of Mr. Redbeard's recipes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what step are you on?
5,624.
What? For this? There's not even that many blocks. How is that possible? This should have been like a 20-step process.
Oh, it's just explaining why it goes there and all that.
Wow. I need to have a chat with Mr. Redbeard.
And then you.
From what I see here. All right. What happens if I put? Did I break it? That doesn't do anything.
Huh?
This doesn't do anything. It's supposed to do something?
It's supposed to light up the lamp, but I'm not quite done with it yet.
How many more steps do you have?
2 more.
2 more? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, but Oh! Wait.
Okay. Oh, it
Yay!
lit up! Hey, look at that! Whoa.
Oh, that took forever. I've been here for 2 days straight.
What?
Yeah. I haven't slept
that's cool.
since
It's pulsing.
a few days ago. Yeah, that is kind of interesting, isn't it?
Wow. Okay. And just automatically pulses? How does this even work? This is really... So if I flip this, will it turn it off?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, I guess that did work.
Oh, wow. Okay. And,
It all pays off.
So are you actually learning? Or do you think you're able to create something on your own from scratch? Or?
Oh, no, of course not. It takes forever just to get this done. I don't think I want to.
Okay. Well, do you want to take a break and read the Bible with me?
Sure, that sounds delightful.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll just let this thing run and we'll read it right over here. All right. Here we go. Day 279. Jesus talks to a father. John chapter 4, verses 46 through 50. So if you have a Bible, go ahead and open up to John chapter 4 and you can read along. Here's our reflect. Do you think the son was healed?
What son?
I guess we better read and find out. Okay.
I guess so.
Let's find out. Can you start us off?
As he traveled through Galilee, he came to Cana, where he had turned the water into wine. There was a government official in nearby Capernaum whose son was very sick. Oh no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, there's our sick son. What's our question again? Do you think the son was healed? I guess we better keep going. When he heard that Jesus had come from Judea to Galilee, he went and begged Jesus to come to Capernaum to heal his son who was about to die. Oh, well, if Jesus is going to heal him, I'm pretty sure he's going to get healed.
I think so too.
Can you continue?
Jesus asked, "Will you never believe in me unless you see miraculous signs and wonders?" The official pleaded, "Lord, please come now before my little boy dies."
Okay. Then Jesus told him, "Go back home. Your son will live." Wait. He didn't have to go to him or anything?
That's so cool.
Okay. And the man believed what Jesus said and started home. Oh, so he's not even home.
We
Wow.
we don't even know if it worked or not.
I guess we'll have to read again tomorrow to figure that out.
I guess so.
Okay. Well, here's our praise. Jesus, your word is life. Yes, it is. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, your word is life. Oh, that teaching is so good. Oh, I love the teaching and miracles of Jesus. We need a button. I guess this is the closest thing we got.
Hey.
Oh, yeah?
I need your help with something.
Yeah, what do you need?
On top of the moon, there was something interesting.
On top of the moon?
It just appeared overnight. I went up there, and all of a sudden I saw it. It's easier if I just show you.
Okay. All right. I'll try to. Oh, it's kind of hard to land up there. Well, you're good at this. Yeah, a little more, a little more height. Oh, too high. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Okay, coming in, coming in. Ah, I did it. Be careful. You got this. Ah!
Oh no!
Noodle, come back.
I'm trying. I haven't done this exactly a lot.
I can tell you're a pretty good builder. Ah!
Hey, man.
Phew, you made it. Oh, okay. The dogs want out.
I don't know what it means. It's just been here.
Oh, there's a button. What do you think we're supposed to do?
I don't know.
This is really bizarre.
Uh,
Really bizarre.
if you press it, you'll just fall into the ocean.
Oh, that's true. That's true. If you get on it and you press it, it sounds like
It's a
what in
good
the
way
world's
to,
going on? This is so bizarre.
It's a good way to drown someone.
I guess so. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll noodle on this a little bit. And if anybody has any ideas, let us know. And we'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye.